A clogged air conditioning condensate drain line can cause hidden flooding that damages ceilings, floors, insulation, and electrical systems. When the drain line backs up, condensate water will overflow into the air handler cabinet and follow the path of least resistance into ceilings or walls, so inspect attic and upper floor units monthly and after long idle periods. Use a simple wet vacuum or a flexible nylon brush to clear the drain line from the access point, and flush with distilled white vinegar to remove biofilm. Avoid strong acids or bleach that can corrode materials. Fit a float switch in the drain pan that cuts power to the compressor when water rises, and test that switch by pouring water into the pan until it trips. Replace any switch that does not reliably cut power. Consider installing an overflow safety pan with a drain routed to a visible location or to an exterior point for units above living spaces, and ensure the pan has a drain line that is not shared with other condensate lines. For long runs or hard-to-reach units, schedule professional condensate audits yearly and ask technicians to camera inspect long sections of drain line to find sags, pinches, or degraded joints where clogs form. Keep attic insulation and plenums dry and allow easy access to the indoor unit, because prompt detection and repair prevents mold growth that can spread through ducts and cavities. Homeowners often miss the slow, intermittent leaks that start as small overflow events and only become visible after significant damage. Reduce that risk by installing audible float alarms and checking drains after storms or high humidity. Another common mistake is using reactive short bursts of cleaning, like pouring boiling water into plastic lines, which can soften or deform them. Use tepid water and vinegar or a mechanical brush designed for condensate drains. People also trust a single yearly service and then ignore accessibility issues. Create a simple quarterly checklist for visual pan checks, drain tests, and float switch tests so problems are caught early. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors who do this kind of preventive and repair work, and our site lets contractors list services and attract clients looking for condensate maintenance and related repairs. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share experience, ask questions, and post job leads.